How's it going, everyone? It's Mark and I'm back with more YouTube content, and today we're going to be talking about the top 5 ways you can make money online, and I'm talking about thousands of dollars. I'm not talking about incremental. And before we hop in, make sure you click that like and subscribe button. So let's hop right into it. Number 1 on the list is dropshipping. So what exactly is dropshipping? Dropshipping is where you sell a product on a website, eBay, Amazon, any of those, and basically you don't have to manage inventory. You sell the product. Once the customer buys it, you send the details over to the supplier. The supplier can be located in China, Singapore, anywhere, Canada, and basically you don't have to manage any inventory. That's why it's hassle-free. You don't have to do anything until the customer makes the move and you convert the customer to buy the product. So what I do for this is I use Shopify, which is a website builder, and it's very easy, user-friendly. You don't need to know any coding or prior experiences with that. You can design unique custom templates to suit your needs. And basically, after you design a website, you got to make sure, I put big emphasis on this, you need trustworthy suppliers. If you don't have a trustworthy supplier, the customer's needs may not be met, and that results in complaints and you know what. So basically, to do this, you can use Oberlo, Aliexpress, other providers, and you gotta make sure first, shoot them an email, shoot them a message, making sure they're all right with dropshipping, because many businesses are not all right with dropshipping, but the ones that are, they'll specify that they are, sometimes in their description or bio, their profile. After that, so once you get your products and your trustworthy supplier, you're gonna want to run ads. And to do this, there's many different ways. Social media, social media is very big these days. You can use social media like Instagram, YouTube, any of that, and you can run through influencers. Basically, you pay the person that's running that account, let's say $25 for a 24-hour shout out with a link in their bio. Customers will see that and they'll be enticed to buy it, especially if it relates around the niche. For example, if it's an elephant page and you have an elephant necklace, I highly recommend advertising it there. There's also other ways such as Google Ads, which is you pay per click. You can do that online, or just simply Facebook. Facebook is probably the most efficient one because you can narrow it down to a very specific audience, and the conversion rate can be much higher than if it were on Google Ads. Number 2 on the list is a blog or a website, and I highly recommend getting into this because this one, if done correctly, it's like a well-oiled machine. So what you can do here is you can go to Wordpress. You can use any of those providing websites that allow you to design a website very easily without having prior coding experience. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to have to pick a niche or something that you're very passionate about or compelled to, because if you're not passionate about this topic or something that you're writing about, it's going to be very, very annoying having to write paragraphs, endless paragraphs every single day about something you're not even interested in. If it's something you're passionate about, it will be 10 times less, of a hassle, and it will be something that you like doing and making money from something that you actually enjoy partaking in. And it's awesome because you can do it from anywhere. You can be on an airplane, you can be in a different country. And what you want to do here is, if done correctly with search engine optimization, with the keywords that you use, your blog should show up in the search results. And if it doesn't, you simply run ads through Facebook, Instagram, Google Ads, any ad placement services. And once you get a bunch of visitors, you get a bunch of page views per month, you can start running your own content on your site, the bio and the margin, etc. Or companies will contact you individually and ask to place ads on your page, and that's where the money starts coming in, pay per click, etc. And you can run ebooks, courses, Amazon affiliate market products, and basically when someone goes through there and purchases through your link, you'll get a commission rate. I think Amazon starts at 6%, and eventually the more sales you make, you move up to 10%. But I know ClickBank, which is more of digital courses, like let's say you want to learn about dietary supplements and stuff like that, how to lose weight, there's a course online. You can get commission rates up to 90%. That is a lot of money. And the reason for it is because there's no shipping and handling having to be dealt with. None of that. It's a digital product and it goes directly to your customer as soon as they click purchase now. So none of that is a hassle. So I highly recommend getting into blogging or any of that stuff, or just owning a website. I might look into buying a website in the near year or so. I'm very interested in that, and I might want to invest in that because, once this thing gets running, it's like a well-oiled machine. And yeah, a website's a very good investment and asset to have. So the third way to make money online is being a virtual assistant for a company and running ads through Facebook. Prior knowledge and what you need to know to be able to do this is you're going to have your gist and the basic concept of being able to run ads on Facebook through Ads Manager and to understand Facebook Pixel. Facebook Pixel is basically a code that is installed on a website that allows it to track a very specific audience, and it allows them to know who's visiting the website, what time of the day, say age bracket, what they're interested in, what niches they like. And that allows your conversion rate to be much higher because you can track those specific customers on Facebook. Facebook knows everything about everyone, let's be honest. It knows what you do during the time of the day. It knows, because if you're feeding Facebook information, it's going to collect that data. Once you get a gist on the Pixel and how to run ads, you're going to want to try to find local companies if possible, like a car wash, a dentistry, any of that. You're going to go to their website and you're going to see if their Facebook Pixel is installed. To see if it's installed, you're going to use an app on Google Chrome. I forget what it's called off the top of my head, but there's many apps online that you can do to see if these websites have this code installed. And this is where you come in place. If they do not have this Facebook Pixel installed, you're going to want to contact this company like, hi, my name is Mark, I'm contacting in regard to possibly running ads for your Facebook, etc. And if you don't have background experience with this, it's fine. You can offer your services for free. Hold up here, for free, and this is what's going to happen. They're not going to decline you most likely. Who doesn't want someone doing a job for free? If they do it poorly, you simply say, I don't need your services anymore. But if you do it correctly and do it right, and you start to bring them results, they will hire you. You'll make money. And then the word will be on the street that this person is doing a very good job, doing very well at running ads. You'll get more clients. More clients equals more money. You can make a lot of money with very few clients. Fourth way to make money online is having and running a vlog or YouTube channel. This is what I'm getting back into. I'm glad I'm getting back into it. I took a leave of absence. It's been a couple years since I uploaded videos. It was just a bunch of random videos, but basically the whole niche and atmosphere this channel is going to be evolved around basically self-improvement, making money online, and just reviews and how-tos to help the viewers out. And a YouTube channel, if done correctly, can generate a lot of money, and you can basically create sales funnels and traffic to other personal assets like an Instagram account, a course, an ebook. You get the point. All those personal assets. And then if you start getting views, you can run ads on your YouTube, and the more views you get, the more money you get. You know the deal. But what's different from Instagram and YouTube is the videos last forever. The search engine optimization, they'll always be getting more and more views. It depends on how relevant the information is, obviously, but if it's good content, you're going to keep getting views. With Instagram, you have to constantly be posting newer content, and that's how you keep your follower base up. But with YouTube, you can continue to grow. It's constant. The gist of it is you can drive traffic to other sources, you can market ClickBank, market affiliate products, everything once you get it going. Let's say you make a review for this Blue Snowball mic. If you make a review for this Blue Snowball mic, that's something someone's going to be searching when they're going to be a hot customer. They're going to already want to be interested in buying that Blue Snowball mic. If you give a very good review and you put that link in the description, affiliate product through Amazon, if someone buys that, you'll get maybe $6 to $8 every time someone buys for that. They're a hot buyer already though, because they're already looking for a review for the product. They're most likely going to buy it. So yes, a YouTube or a vlog can be very good with generating income and passive income. The fifth and final way to making a copious amount of money online is generating an asset such as an ebook, an e-course, a webinar, and something that you have a specific skill in. Your skill set, you have to be very knowledgeable with that specific topic or niche, because if the customers aren't getting results from this, they're not going to want to buy your product. And the good thing about this is you only have to do it once. It's a lot of work up front, but let's say it's an ebook. You write all these pages out. You only have to do it one time, and then it just generates money. If it's just on the Amazon ebook market, it generates money. You don't have to touch it. Websites and stuff, you got to go on and edit bugs, but an e-course, a webinar, a module is something that you do once for the investment, and you reap the rewards down the road. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and once again, do your due diligence on all these things, because I'm not by no means an expert in any of these things. But yeah, those are the top 5 ways that I think you can make thousands of dollars if done and well polished correctly. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.